Hello guys, so welcome. In today's video we are talking about the Sec.io Power Tap airdrop. Now it's quite unfortunate that after what the team developer showed to us in their roadmap that they should be listing in the Q4 of 2024, and now the month is far gone, so unfortunately they are not going to be listing in 2024. So we should be expecting a listing either the Q1 of 2025 or the Q2. Now with that put aside, I want us to focus more on what's the greater picture. For me now, I believe why the Sec.io Power Tap team, that is the SEC exchange team, have not yet listed this coin is that I believe that they are trying to re-strategize and work on a more better use case for the coin. I believe that Sec.io wants to actually ensure that this becomes a coin rather than a token. Now the major difference between a coin and a token is that a coin will operate on its own blockchain while a token will be operating on an existing blockchain. Now the advantage that a coin have over a token is that it's based on its use case and what people can be able to use it to do. For example, if you remember the days whereby people were farming and mining BNB compared to today, now based on the use case that BNB is providing on their BSC chain network, you can see that the value of BNB has actually increased. So this is actually a good opportunity for those people that have not even yet started mining Sec.io Power Tap to start mining it now. If you are not yet mining it, ensure that you check the description box so you can start mining it. It's quite an opportunity for you, and it's a good one for you to start mining it effectively now. As you can see on my screen, this is just the little balance I have. I know most of you are having more than this, so let me know what is your set balance on your Sec.io exchange. I'll be telling you basic eligibility criteria and security measures that you need to put in place on this app shortly, but let me be done explaining what I want to have you know so that you don't lose hope, so that you be encouraged and know what you are doing. You understand? So if it tends to be a coin based on its use case, the value and the price will be very high. For us now, for many people that have been participating in airdrop, those that have been participating in deepin projects, engaging in their testnet and engaging in their mainnet, we saw what Vanna did. Right, as at when Vanna got listed at about $28, and as at when I'm making this video yesterday, as at when I'm making this video in the month of December 2024, as at yesterday of this day, the coin was it moved to $34. Imagine a coin being listed at $28. So you can imagine what the Sec.io our team are actually doing. So I want you guys not to lose hope, but to stay positioned and mine this effectively. You understand? Because if it ends up being a coin based on its use case, you can understand that based on its use case, several other tokens will be listing on that blockchain. You understand? And based on what people will be making use of it to do, to pay for transactions, to pay for fees, doing other sort of things, the value will increase. We don't even know at what price level that they are going to be trading when they list. So I want you to take full advantage of this, and you must note that what you are going to be focusing on is your SEP balance. You understand? So if you are just joining this, if you are seeing my channel for the first time and you want to know how to mine this effectively, make sure you watch this video to the end. There is going to be a full playlist guide that is going to be popping up at the end screen of this video. Just go and watch all those playlist guide. You understand? I made tutorial videos on the things you should focus on, what to do and what not to do. Or you can just navigate through my playlist on my channel and look for Sec.io Power Tap airdrop full tutorial. So watch it carefully and start mining this effectively. So quickly now, let me just go to major measures that you need to put in place. Now as you see, as I scroll down my screen, you are going to be seeing my profile being displayed on my right. So if I tap on my profile, let me know the country you are watching from, and let me know what's your SEP balance, and let me know if even though if you are done mining, right, let's say you are done upgrading all cards, what you need to do is that you need to just pay attention to these security measures that I want to let you know, and this verification procedure. Once you pay attention to this, ensure that you always log into that bot daily so that you be counted as a valid user. Just ensure you log in daily, at least maybe once in a day. Just log in. If you have nothing doing there, then you can engage in the spin. Now this is it. For account verification, there are different layers of verification. So if I tap on this verification icon here, the first one here, if I tap on this verification icon here, it's going to load up. Now there are different layers of verification, and it's granting you and gives you different leverages and opportunity for what you will do. Now the step one of my identity verification that I did, it enabled me to be able to deposit $3,000 a day, and I'll be able to withdraw a minimum of $10,000 a day. Now that is very little based based on what trading and what you intend doing if you're a big time trader. Now ensure what you must have done this first layer of identity verification. Just tap on it and do it. It's very simple. Now the next layer of verification is this. Now as you increase this verification, right, what you'll be able to do in the app will increase. Your deposit and your withdrawal will increase. Now you see the next one is what? Address verification, right? You'll be able to deposit and withdraw up to $10,000 daily. Now the last one is what? Enhanced verification. So if you want to do any of these verification, you unlock one after the other. So you see, as I've done this identity verification, I'm now able to what? Go towards address verification. So if I tap on start, it's something that is very simple and basic to do. Now what I need to do for this one is that I will just submit any of these documents, of which I have, and I'm going to be doing it later. So it's something simple and basic that you can do on your own. So once I engage in this, my daily limit and transaction will be what? Increased to $10,000. Then I can go to the next one. So that is it for verification, right? Then the next thing you have to do is that ensure you engage in what? This two-factor authentication. Now for you to do this, that you have to download the two-factor authentication app. You understand? Just go to Google Play Store and download the two-factor authentication app. So once you download that app and you come to this place, now you must be asking, what is the use of this two-factor authentication app? Now this is a security layer. You understand? So nobody will be able to have access to this account without this verification codes that will be sent to this. Now before any transaction can be made, if you enable this, you have to go and pick that verification code. So if somebody even access your account and doesn't have access to this two-factor authentication code, the person is wasting his time. So for you to do this is very simple. After you have downloaded the two-factor authentication app, I'll be showing you how the two-factor authentication app look like. So once you downloaded the app, the next thing for you to do is to come back to this interface, right? For me, it's already enabled. So for you, it will not be enabled. So what you just need to do is to tap on it. Once you tap on it, it's going to bring to your display, I think it's a combination of alpha and numeric. It's a combination of alpha and numeric, that is alphabet and numbers. You understand? So once you tap on it, it's going to bring, I think it's about 16 or 20 digits here about. So what you need to do is that you will use that digit and go and paste it in your two-factor authentication, and that's how you enable. That's how you'll be able to enable this two-factor authentication app. It's very simple and basic for you to do. It's that simple for you to engage in. So once you are done with that, the next thing for you to do is that you will just come here. Now you need to know that after you are done with this, you should be able to understand how to trade, because once this SEC token is listed, you'll be able to sell it. You understand? So if you want to transact and sell, I want you guys to be familiar with all this interface. So once they list and you want to sell or you want to hold, you won't be panicking. You have to understand that the reason why this set of developers have been going through these rigorous measures of actually showing, if you have been following their YouTube series, they have been teaching us a lot how to hold tokens, how to stake tokens, what margin trading is. So all those lectures are not in vain, because I believe they are planning something great. So for you to be able to sell this token, right, what I am calling it token, for you to be able to sell this coin, I want to believe they want to end up making this a coin. For you to sell it, what you need to do, just click on the icon below my screen here. Just tap on trade. So once you tap on trade, once it's available, right, once it's listed here, it's going to be available here on your screen as your as your asset. So all you just need to go to your wallet. So once it's available, you will see it here. You understand? So you can either just tap on this convert and you'll be able to convert it to USDT. You understand? Or convert it to another coin. So but if you want to sell it, you can also just tap on here. Let's assume this is your SEP coin, and what you just need to do is to just tap on sell. It's something that is very basic. You understand? So I want you guys, while you are waiting, familiarize yourself with this. You understand? Familiarize yourself with this app. Check on the app, learn anything that you are not able to do. Ensure that you have mastered it. Enable two-factor authentication. Increase your words. Let me go to tapping my profile. I'm tapping my profile that is on my top left. This is it. So once you tap on it, enable your verification layers. Enable each of them. So once you are done enabling them, you should also learn how to trade. You understand how to, what I mean by trade is just simply how to what sell your SEP coin at the end of the day. You understand? Then you also know how to what buy crypto with your cards and receive. How, if you want me to also do a video on how to buy crypto with cards, how I made a video already on how you can receive crypto and how you can buy crypto on the SEC exchange. So I will not be making another video on that. Just go and check the full playlist guide and you see how to buy and receive crypto is there. So after that, the next thing that you need to do is that ensure that your the SEC.io exchange app is connected to the bot. For those of you that have not yet connected it, it's very basic. Once you download the SEC.io app, once it opens here, I don't know, most people are actually complaining that they are unable to connect it, but it's very simple. For me, this was what I did. I just downloaded the app. So once I downloaded the app, they just brought to my interface on my screen and they told me that I can connect to their bots, that they are in their mining phase. So I just tapped on it, connect, and that was it. So it's very simple for you to do. So if you are just joining for the very first time, you just tap on the bot and it will just connect to itself automatically. And once you start earning your SEP, it's going to display here and it's going to be written coming soon, because it is not yet listed. So hopefully let's expect their listing by 2025, the Q1 or the Q2, and hopefully it's going to end up listing as a coin, and based on its use case, the price value is going to be high and we are going to be making a lot of money from this. So guys, ensure you join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description box. On that channel, I post different form of testnet airdrop that you can participate in during the testnet and heading to the mainnet to earn good income. And there's currently one deepin project that I posted on my Telegram channel, so you should quickly join my Telegram channel, because there you have access to different reviews and information, and you can ask me questions directly and participate direct in different airdrop that you are not participating, so you can stay positioned early. And on that Telegram channel, we'll be doing a free crypto trading class. You are not paying anything for it, it's totally free. So ensure you join my Telegram channel right now as you are watching this video. Let me know where you are watching this video from. Drop your country flag in the comment section. Let me know how many SEP balance you have. Let me know if you haven't done upgrading all your cards, and if you are done, make sure you listen attentively to what I've said so far and do this. Thank you guys for watching. If you are watching from Nigeria, let me know the state you are watching from so I can connect with you. Do ensure you join my Telegram channel and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. One more time, please subscribe.